We'll be celebrating World Environment Day, and this is something that really is something that we feel very passionately about. We also dedicate a third of our land in South Africa to conservation. So we have a number of nature reserves that we manage, and we have wetlands and high conservation areas that we are purposefully managing to ensure that there is biodiversity. We set ourselves a goal of a 10% improvement in biodiversity in our South African forestry land holdings that are dedicated to conservation.